cause I'm a lady.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are on our way to Youth Rally. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Yeah, so we're on a late start, but we're so rich. Yeah. Hey guys, we be walking.
Are you want about glasses? Take it off.
No, it's mine, so I do what I want to do, y'all. I do what I want to do. Why this something so nice? I know. Anyways, guys, welcome to Ultra Rias. Yes, what's your tour guide? What are you touring?
This is the gas station.
Oh my god, really?
That gas station.
What's the gas station's name?
That's
Then you should follow on pop with one video.
yeah, before truck come.
Oh, bruh.
And I know yesterday.
Yeah. Girl, my phone quality good.
Yeah, me change my shirt.
Yeah.
Change.
She changed her shirt. She kind of try to look like somebody.
Hey guys.
No. This is Pinky. We have Sandy. We have
And Abby.
Abby. We have Chungsy. We have Prince. So yeah, that is Prince. We have Lisa. We have Shanique. We have the boys running back around here. So, but yeah. Anyways, see you guys later. We're gonna get something to eat. Bye.
Abby. She
said she don't leave her out of what you should have
can't
said
beg
and
too
then
much.
her back.
Abby, yeah, you chicken. She can't beg too much.
Abby is still at eat.
Hey guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Just want to say, if you're a Christian, remember it is not hard for you to have fun. As you see in my video, we are Christians having fun. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Yes, click that button here. Click it, just click it. Thank you, and give this video a big thumbs up. Hey, see you guys. Bye.
Oh, baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a